Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled Deadbeat Son Gets Tased After Punching and Kicking Cops by Body Cam Ninja.
On April 12, 2026, officers responded to a home following a domestic dispute between a man and his parents.
All right, what happened?
For a while, walking around. He came back and we didn't want him to come in, so we said, we'll put some stuff out for you. We were going to give him money to go get a hotel and whatever.
Sure.
He kicked down the front door, and she is petrified. So,
Where's he at?
In a nice neighborhood, it's crazy.
Okay. The front door looks okay. What do you mean kicked it down?
Yeah,
He kicked it open.
I don't know if he broke it, but he kicked it. It was locked. He
Okay.
kicked it open.
All right. Where's he at in the house?
He must be upstairs.
Hey, Daniel?
Yo. Dude, I gotta take a shower.
Come here.
Look, I had no choice but
Get
to
down
do
here
it.
now.
I literally have to take a
I
shower.
don't really care. I said get down here right now. Down
Look,
here.
I'll go.
Down
I'll
here
go.
now.
Look, I gotta get a sweater
Go.
on. It's cold.
Let's
Okay,
go.
Fine, I'll go.
Walk down here.
I don't want you to touch me.
Then you start walking and
I'll
I'll
walk
start
with you.
dragging.
Let's go.
Come on.
Oh, God, this is going to be a long arrest.
Get down here.
Let's sit and talk. No, that guy locked me out.
Okay.
I
First of
had
all,
no choice but to do that.
I said to come downstairs. You're not listening.
Dude, listen.
Okay?
I'm listening.
Let's
I
go.
had no choice but to do that.
No, you didn't. You did have a choice. Now
I
come
can't
down
go
here
to
and
the
sit on the
hospital.
chair.
I don't have income, dude.
Okay.
They're sending me bills.
Okay.
Like that. Like I'll go fix it with my dad. I'll go with him to the store. I don't know. I don't know. Okay. I'll literally.
Why don't you stop acting like
there's
this?
a lot going on.
Okay.
Okay. They keep locking me out.
Exactly.
I didn't even go
Hold
out
on.
with,
Look
like,
at me.
proper
When
clothing.
I left here, you said you were walking and you were going to the gym.
I couldn't even
You
get
just
there.
you just kicked the door in on the house. That's
Because
not normal
they kept
action.
saying I can't be home.
Okay.
They kept saying I can't go back to no homeless. I don't even have a fucking ride to a homeless shelter.
So now you're acting
No,
irrational,
I'm
like
not.
they said.
No, I'm not. I had to do that, man.
No, you did
like,
not.
I literally had
No,
to
you
take-
didn't have to. That's what they call irrational actions.
No,
Okay.
well,
so why did you do that?
I did it because he locked the door, and I need to be inside. I need to take a shower. My back's all itchy, man. I got like Lyme
All right.
disease. Like,
I don't care what disease you got. You come down and sit on this chair right now and start listening to me, or otherwise I'm gonna drag you down these stairs.
dude, that's please
No,
don't.
I'm telling you, you're not listening. Come sit over here, get off the stairs, and start listening to what I have to say, or otherwise I'm pulling you down.
Okay,
So you don't want me to touch you. I'm giving you the opportunity to be an adult.
Listen, we're
Such a nice house, too.
talking here.
All right.
Like, is that a threat? Dude, I'm going with you. Please
stand up.
don't touch me.
Stand up and
Please,
start walking
seriously, don't touch me.
downstairs.
Okay,
Start walking
you first.
downstairs.
You first.
No, we've already gone through this. You're gonna start moving.
I don't want
Who does he think he is? He's like a grown-ass man-child.
you to touch me.
I'm gonna start
No.
moving.
Daniel.
Let's go.
Daniel.
Dude, I'm gonna meet you guys down.
No,
Daniel.
I'll go
You're not
to
listening.
jail. I'd rather go to jail than to the hospital. Because in jail, like, they didn't.
Okay, we'll talk about that.
Okay,
But
right now-
Okay, then come down
we're
here.
talking on the stairs.
Talk
Come
outside
on.
then.
Okay, so start listening. I gave you the opportunity. Come off the stairs.
Like,
Daniel,
that guy, like,
just make it
he's
easy.
been making my life so hard.
That guy is your father, and you live in his house. Let's be honest.
Hello.
You're okay.
But he keeps locking me out.
Well-
How am I supposed to live here if he keeps locking me out?
Obviously, you doing shit that is annoying him and presents him to just want to lock you out because you in his house. No matter how you look at it. And you living under somebody else, you need to abide by their rules.
It's not normal.
I didn't know what to do.
You could have called us.
For what?
And the fact that you was able to kick a door open with slides on is crazy.
That's
I
a problem.
mean, now I have to go help the guy fix it.
You have to tell me. I'm asking you
Like,
to come down off the
I'd rather
stairs.
just go.
Come on, two more
go to
steps.
Home Depot,
Come over here.
Help this guy fix it.
They are so understanding because I would have been yanked his ass down. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Come on, just sit over here. Why do you gotta make this so much more difficult than it needs to be? Come on. We're here because your sister called us screaming and crying on the phone.
You got two more steps, or I'm gonna have to
Come on.
kick your wrist and I'm gonna have to touch it.
Dude, she
come on.
look. My sister is making like a lot of claims, dude.
Well, that's a fact.
This isn't helping.
Look, I can't like.
You can't listen?
You know what's not helping is you guys being
That's one thing he can't fucking do is listen because he don't do that at all.
here, man. It's
was
like
locked.
it's not helping. Why are you opening the door?
Like the sergeant's there.
Okay, dude. Let's just
Come on.
talk outside.
Yeah,
I don't.
well, let's go talk
Please don't
outside.
touch me.
Let's go.
Please do
Let's
not
go.
touch me. I have so much
Let's go.
PTSD from this. Seriously, let's just go for a walk. Seriously.
You can't even make it down
I'm
4 steps.
walking. Do not touch me, please.
Then stand.
Seriously,
No,
please don't.
sit on the chair right here. This is all I've asked of you.
It's like, seriously.
Sit down.
What do you guys want to know?
What happened?
This guy, they've been locking me out. They say I have the right to. What's up, Officer Bazinski?
I understand why they were locking your ass out. You annoying us, no,
Dude,
bro.
What is going on? What is your problem?
Why are you coming at me with issues, man?
Sit
These
down.
people locked
Because they gotta come into the house to get you out because you want to kick down the door.
me out. They said I live here.
And he got little man syndrome, so he got a lot of frustration too.
Do you want to go to the hospital? I'm not with you. I'm not playing your stupid games. You know exactly what you're doing. I'm not playing
doing
games.
anything, dude.
Sit down.
I literally live
Sit
here.
down or you're going to the hospital.
Dude, just, like, can you take it?
You're not telling me a goddamn thing. Sit down.
Okay, can you just make
Sit
sure not
down.
to touch me, dude?
Sit down, dude.
Like,
Sit
seriously.
down. I'll take you to the hospital right now, dude.
Get in here.
Work hard. Let go.
I saw that. He stole right off on his ass. Let's see that again.
Can you take it?
You're not telling me a goddamn thing. Sit down.
Okay, can you just make
Sit
sure not
down.
to touch me, dude?
Sit down, dude.
Like,
Sit down.
seriously.
I'll take you to
Look, he's sizing him up right there.
the hospital right now, dude.
Bitch! Oh!
Get in here.
Work hard.
Please don't put no holes in these people walls.
Let go.
It's getting good.
Let go of him. Let go of him. I got him. Wait. All right.
Taser, taser, taser.
Put your hands up. Put your hands up right now.
Chill, just let me up, man.
Put your hands up.
Please lay in the choke.
Put your. Get a set of cuffs.
1120 your status.
Get a set of cuffs. 4 more are okay. Get 2 more over.
Dude.
Are you done? Stop.
Yes, I'll go with.
Stop. Oh, you're going to jail now, dummy. Put your legs out.
1702 your
Let go of
status.
my hand. Stop it right now. The other way. Taser. Let's get it back. Taser. Let go. Stop.
Thank you.
Stop.
He got him right in the spinal cord too.
Stop. Put your hands up. Put your hands up.
Can you
Stop.
Can I stand? Do I have
You're
to
gonna
somebody
get some cuffs. Put your hand. Turn around.
Okay, I'm standing. I'm gonna
Turn on your stomach. Turn around and get on your stomach and get tased again.
Just let me stand.
Hands on your head. Hands on your head.
He like taser.
Let's go. Dude, let's go. I'll go. Just like, can I please contact my probation officer? Tell her this
Give me
is
your
up.
hands. Give me your hand or
You getting arrested while you on probation? Oh, y'all ain't going to jail.
tase the guy.
Dude.
Hand or tase the guy. I'm gonna tase you right now.
Okay.
Put your hand behind your back. Put your hand behind your back. Okay. Stop. Stop right now.
Just messing up your parents' house for what, bro?
Right now. Get out of this. Stop right now. Stop. Trying to hurt me, dude. Stop. Resisting. Daniel, stop resisting, sir.
Okay, I'm not resisting. I'll go.
Put your hands
I'm
behind your
going.
back.
I'm going.
Stop resisting,
We're
sir.
going. Let's go. I'm ready. I'm ready. I need sandals. Let's go.
Put your hands behind your back.
They are in for the
Your
cuffs.
hand behind
I
your
can't.
back.
They're cuffs. I can't.
Clear en route.
Okay.
Stop. Get on the ground. Get on the ground right now. I'm gonna hit you in the face.
Yeah, when they start saying that, yeah, you about to get beat up.
Down. On your knees.
I thought we
On
were
your
going.
knees. Get on the fucking ground.
Get on the ground. We're going to jail.
On your knees and get down on the ground.
What are you guys doing?
Stop. This is a miracle. Somebody hold his legs. John's got his head. I got his head.
I'm gonna go get champers out of your truck.
Stop! Stop! Stop, or you're gonna get tased again, sir.
Right.
You're under arrest.
Okay. Can we go peacefully?
No, stop.
Okay, I'm peaceful.
No, you're not.
Peaceful is out the window, my boy. Yeah, you
Seriously,
cooked.
just trust.
No,
Trust.
you're under arrest.
I understand.
Trust
You guys
is done.
have me in a detainment position.
You're not going anywhere. You're not going anywhere.
Like seriously. Officer Stanley, what do I do in this situation?
10-4. Start a tasing
I want you
custody.
to roll
He still ain't got him arrested.
over. If you don't roll over, I'm going to tase you again. You understand me?
Can we just go outside?
Yes. Roll over on your stomach.
Are you gonna lift me and carry me out or
Yes.
what?
Your hands are going behind your back. Your hands are going behind your back.
You gotta uncuff me first. It's
but
impossible.
You need to roll on your stomach and put your hands out towards that basket.
Oh my God, bro. This got to be like the sun from hell.
Can you uncuff me first,
Not until
please?
you do that.
Dude, my fucking radio's on South Suburban Major
These parents definitely lost the children lottery.
Crimes Task Force.
Or him.
Dude, I got fucking knocked out in the face.
Where did he kick you?
Right in the face, I blacked out.
Seriously,
You okay now?
Yeah, I'm good now. Like, I'm waiting to get up. I thought you guys
You're not fucking getting up right now. You're fucking dumb. What the was the point of that shit?
grab this arm and help Jeremy bring it down.
Crazy.
Fucking move, I swear to God. What? Stop! Okay, stop right now. Or you're getting tased again. Do you understand me?
Hit him with it. I'm gonna hit him with it.
They tired of his shit.
If you don't stop. Stop right now.
It's over.
You put those fucking hands out flat right now, or you're taking a ride on the taser again. Do you understand me, sir?
You guys got a lot of weight on my back, though.
We're gonna wait.
Taking a ride on a taser. I'm gonna have to use that one day.
We're gonna wait for Shanks.
Murray, go get the shackles from
Stop fucking moving, dude. You're gonna get fucking tased again.
Where are his arms? Where are his arms?
They're handcuffed already. They're handcuffed already.
Are they in the front or the back?
Front.
Stop. Stop.
Watch out for blood, guys. Hey, guys, watch out for blood. All over his shoulder, his legs. Hey, are you bleeding? Are you bleeding? No, I'm not. No, that's from his tongue.
Dude, who's pushing down on my leg?
All right. Get it. Move your leg. Move your leg. Sterling, move your leg.
Please. Come on, man.
Who's on Brian's side? I need ambulance. I need ambulance.
We got it. I'm fucking wait. You gotta relax first.
I am. I promise you. That was. I'm sorry. All right, family. I'm sorry.
1, 2, 3.
I'm sorry. Stop.
You gotta get his hands back.
I gotta spit food in my mask.
Yeah, he need to be tranquilized because they gang got him down yet. It's been 10 minutes.
It's in my left front pocket. No. Throw it on the new vest. It's lower left pocket. This is down here? Yes, zipper.
All that for what? To still go to jail.
Wait. Ryan, move. Ryan, move. I got
Go.
They still fighting?
Put him on the ground.
Go over the fucking ground.
Taser!
Oh my God.
Taser! Stop it or you're going. Stop it or you're getting a ride again. Give the officers your arm.
I see why the sister was terrified.
Ride with the taser.
I gotta use that. You gonna get a ride with the taser.
Give him your hands.
Make sure you have legs first. Peacefully.
Stop!
We're good. Go 2 on 1. Go 2 on.
He's trying to get up, guys.
It's fine.
Someone lay on his head.
All
Alright, I'm stuck.
Hey, get off. Get the f off me. Murray. How many split matches? No, I'm not Murray.
Tony, watch your
I have his right arm down. Don't bite.
Don't bite him.
You're
gonna get tased again. You're gonna get tased again. Stop it.
All right, we're done. I just don't want the thing out. Okay. All right. Don't bite. Don't bite. I'm not gonna bite you, man. What are you doing? You just
Biting?
tried. Dude. Stop biting me. Give me your hand then. Put your hand towards my hand. Is gonna.
Bro, you just making this shit way worse for yourself. Like, just give him your hand.
Got that arm. Bring your second arm. Ready? My bad, dude. I'm literally under cuffs. Like, let's just get out of this situation. Just help. You guys are supposed to be peaceful officers. Like, you took a badge. You took an oath.
Shut the f up.
Dude. Like, can someone give me some water?
Yeah, we will in a second, alright?
Like I didn't want this. I don't. Like, neither did we, bro. Just stop talking. So what? So
What do you mean you didn't want this? You punched a fucking sergeant in the face and then kicked my partner.
dude, well, you guys can't. Just stop. Hey, relax. I didn't mean to.
Yeah,
Like I've been trying to go active duty. You guys know that. Like with something. You know, it's like
You about to go active duty to the nut house. That's what you finna go active for.
I'm not trying to fight no more. Okay? Like I don't. That was suck. I'll admit.
You had about 4 taser probes in your back. I wouldn't want to fight neither shit.
It's like I need some water. Can I get some like water in my mouth?
Give him
Like I
your
don't.
hand for a second,
like,
just on the one
No,
side.
that's not what I want.
Wait, that's got to happen.
Okay.
Otherwise, we're gonna have
Dude.
to tase you and touch you again, and we don't want to do that.
Seriously?
I know.
Wait, like what the?
You should ask yourself that question on the way there.
Like I don't. Like I want to chill. I'm glad I'm not dead. Okay, like.
And
Yeah. What the?
we have
The suspect was charged with multiple counts of aggravated battery on an officer and multiple counts of resisting arrest.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and share button as well, as it helps the channel out tremendously. And that's it, baby. We out.